Hello, very good morning to everybody. Today topic is where is God? Sometimes we confuse we do worship of which God. Different types of people say different types of things. Like somebody say you need to worship of Lord Krishna. Somebody say you need to worship of God Ganesh. So you become confused. There is many gods. So you become confused. We have to worship of which God and why and how. So today we know this thing how to worship of God and in proper way. First is very important thing, which is you never see God. You have not see God, but you think God is present. So it is good, yeah. I believe. Second is the most important thing which you need to know, God is present everywhere. Not in only temple, not in only masjid. God is everywhere. In also in your home and also in you. I think you also know about this and you have discussed. But you do worship of murti, grave image. So it is not good. Because you need to know and you also know but do not apply. This is handmade and this is made by human. This is not the original God. This is not natural God. This is the only image and structure which is made by human. And you also know we have not seen God. It is not real structure of God. It is only human thinking, made by human thinking. So very important thing, do not have to worship of only this God. As you know, and I was also said, God is everywhere. So God is also in you. God is present in all human, animals, every living things and non-living things. Are you agree with me? If you are agree, so you can watch my video. If you are not agree, so you can stop my video. But you always forget this thing. God is also in you. So I think in my opinion, according to me, we have to worship of our image self. Because I know God is also in me, so why I do worship of murti which is made by human and it is not exactly murti, it is only thinking of a human. You have to put your picture in your puja room and you can do worship. If you do worship of yourself, then you become a great person, I think. So you can do this. You are thinking this is fun, but this is not fun. You need to think God is also in you. So why you don't do worship of yourself? It doesn't matter you are doing worship daily or you are doing worship 1 hour, 2 hour. Only you have to do worship with good feelings by true nature. One more thing, and it is really very very important. When you do worship, you purchase diya, flower, plates, bell, and etc. You do not need to purchase these things because God never say for doing this. These all are only formalities. These all are set by human. This is only thinking of human when I purchase bell, when I purchase diya, these types things, agarbatti. So God will accept our worship. Otherwise, they do not accept. So it is not necessary. In fact, I think if you are doing worship, so you do not need to purchase never these types things. You only have to do worship with good feelings and nature. So please these things keep in your mind and remember this. Many people celebrate God birthday like Christian Mashtami but do not celebrate their own birthday. So it is a very big insult of God, You are thinking how? Because God is also in you. So you need to celebrate your own birthday. Because God is also in you. So you have to celebrate birthday of your own God which is present in you. If you do not celebrate your birthday, you say just okay, yeah, I do not celebrate. So it is the insult of God because God is in you and you are not celebrating the birthday of God. That means you are not happy with your life which is given by God. So it is also insult of God. I think you have to celebrate your birthday. If you like celebrating birthday, so you can celebrate, enjoy happily with balloons, cutting cake, and many things. And if you do not want, so at least you do worship of not any image of God, of your image. Okay. Not only listen what I am saying, you have to apply this. Because I know you are now listening my video, and after this you will listen some other videos and you do not apply anything. Somebody listen video of lecture like BK Shivani, Raju Dixit. Many people, I am not saying they are saying wrong. So you do not need to listen any lecture, any video. I am not saying watch my video. Do not watch any video. Somebody say I am very great person, I do not do misdeed. I have never done sin. I am pure vegetarian, I am not non-vegetarian. I do not kill animals and I do not eat. If your thinking is like this, so you have to change. First, I want to say that people who eat egg and do not eat meat. If you are eating egg and not eating meat, so you are eating child before birth, so it is very bad. And if you are eating meat, so you can eat after birth and he or she leaves sometimes. I would like to share one thing with those person who is pure vegetarian, who is not eat meat and egg both. If you do not like because you do not like taste of this, so it's okay. But if you do not like because you think I am sinless, I will never do kill any animals and eat, so you are very wrong. Because this is very wrong thinking. Why? Because you kill without any reason ant and mosquitoes, like these types insects, without any reason. They only cut you and do what you do kill him, and you think I am sinless. Some people by mistake do this, so it is they are also sinless. And the person who never kill any animals, any mosquito, any insects, so they think I am not misdeed. But this is not correct. How? I will tell you. Life is not possible on earth of any human without doing misdeed and sin. How? Because when we eat food like tomato has many seeds and we eat, so we will kill seeds, means child of tomato. When you eat curd, we found lactobacillus bacteria in curd. So when you eat curd, you can eat together many bacteria. That means many living things together you can eat. In our hand, there is many bacteria present which we not able to see with naked eyes. So when we wash our hand, we also killed these living things. So how you say this? I am not misdeed. I am sinless. How? It is not possible. I hope you have understood all things. I don't know you will apply this process yes or no doing worship of yourself, but I will say, I want to say again, you need to apply this. Okay, bye. I am saying since 8 minutes. Don't worry, don't think more, to enjoy. Stay home, be healthy, be safe, take care. Bye bye. Bye bye everybody. And really thank you so much for listening these all points. Bye.